Hey, what's up, folks? So say you got an OBS Chevy and it's got a massive hesitation in it. It kind of idles funky, poor acceleration. Well, it could be a number of things, but most likely it is your mass airflow sensor, or MAF. If you got a code in your reader and it's P0102, I think it is, that is your mass airflow sensor. So that is this thing right here. Now the factory harness, this is a 3-pin connector and it's just got a little tab on it. It's no big deal. This is super easy to replace. I've already done this, so I'm not going to go through it again, but basically you take your lid off, you unloosen your band clamps, okay, and then wiggle it out of this one, and this will come off with your air filter, and you just pull that out and you put your new one in. Now the one I pulled out of here had a 4-pin connector, but it also had an adapter to go from a 3-pin to a 4-pin. It works. You can get an adapter, don't sweat it. Now say you got a check engine light on again after you fix this. The truck's running good, all that good stuff. Well, you smell raw fuel still. Well, your computer, your black box over there, that thing, has probably learned some bad habits on its fuel trim, because it's designed to start overfueling to protect the engine so you don't burn up your valves and your pistons and whatnot. So what you do is, easy trick, and hopefully your O2 sensor hasn't gone bad from carbon soot buildup on it. You disconnect your negative for about 20 minutes, and that clears the memory in that brain right there, and resets it back to its factory fuel trim programming. So that should clear that code. Now if your O2 sensor is bad, it's just been driving like that way too long, you're going to have to replace it, and it's most likely going to be on bank 1, which is your driver's side O2 sensor. So before you go replacing expensive sensors, start with disconnecting the battery. Thanks for joining my TED Talk. We'll see you next time.